Good morning, my dear student. Myself, Shan Ahmed, PGT of Physical Education in St. Xavier School, Hardoi. Today's our topic is component of wellness and health-related fitness. This is the chapter 3 topic. My dear student, before we discuss our topic, I tell you one thing: please subscribe our channel, click bell icon for getting all channels notification. Now comes our topic. So children, comes our topic, component of wellness and component of health related fitness. So before we have discussed our topic, this is the last topic of chapter 3, component of wellness. My dear student, you all know wellness. Wellness is the ability to lead a well-balanced life related of physical health, mental health, social health, and emotionally balanced life. My dear children, there are many components of wellness. Today I have discussed minimum 4 and 5 points. First point is फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, और इसको सेकंड नाम है फिजिकल वेलनेस. तो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, आई टेल यू, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इट मेक द पर्सन fit and active. It improve various system of body and improve our health. It also improve our growth and development. This is the first point, is physical activity. Second point is balanced emotional life. Balanced emotional life is, my dear children, wellness require balanced emotional life and release of emotion. Moreover, it should be under control. And next point is intellectual attitude or intellectual wellness. My dear children, wellness require positive intellectual attitude. It improve our behavior like intelligence, alertness, thinking, etc. Next point is, in this, active social life or active wellness. Active social life, my dear student, active social life improve our social qualities and help us to adjust well in society. It's improve our wellness. Next point is our managing stress. Wellness need the proper management of stress and tension of our life. Next point is our spiritual well-being and spiritual wellness. It make the person morally good, peaceful, moreover guide the value of life. So this is the component our wellness. Next point is our component of health related fitness. So my dear children, in component of health related fitness, I tell you one thing, there are five important or importance areas health related fitness. First is our cardiovascular endurance. Second, muscular strength. Third, muscular endurance. And fourth, flexibility. And fifth है body composition. These five components are related our health related fitness. First is cardio endurance or heart and lung endurance. My dear children, I tell you, it is the ability to exercise the entire body for long period of time. It requires a strong heart, healthy lungs and clean body vessels to supply the body with oxygen. Activity to improve fitness in this area include running, swimming and aerobic activities, etc. Second point is our muscular strength. Muscular strength, my dear children, muscular strength is also an important component of health-related physical fitness. My dear student, muscular strength is the amount of force the muscles or a group of muscular can exert against resistance. And third point is our muscular endurance. Muscular endurance is one of the important component of health related fitness. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscles or a group of muscular to perform repeated muscular contractions against resistance of an extended or long period of time. My dear children, the fourth point is component of related fitness is flexibility. You all know the flexibility. Flexibility is the range of movement of joint. In other words also we say like that, the range of movement available in a joint. Understood my children? और हम कह सकते हैं it is the ability to us our joint fully. You are flexible with the muscles or the long enough and the joint are free enough to allow movement. People with good flexible have adjust muscular for the full range. Next point is our body composition. Body composition, like it is the percentage of body weight and is fat compared to other body tissues such as bones and muscles. People have a high percentage of the fat are more likely to be ill and have a higher death rate than others people. So this is the body composition. This is the last point of our children, component health related fitness like body composition. Again I tell you, body composition is the one of the major component of health related fitness. Body composition is the percentage of lean body mass, that is bones, tendons, muscles, water, ligament, organ, etc. It compared to body fat. Understood my children? This is the our component of health related fitness. Now we have completed our topic. Thank you everyone.